Привет! Today's story is about Russia's most famous musical instrument, balalaika. I will read the text and then we'll talk about words that may be a challenge. But before we start, make sure to download your own copy of the story from the link in the description box. Ну что, поехали? Балалайка. Балалайка – это не просто русский струнно-щипковый музыкальный инструмент. Это олицетворение России. Она имеет треугольную форму и 3 струны. Если судить по названию, то балалайка была создана для шутливой, легкой, народной музыки и танцев. Первый русский царь Алексей Михайлович считал, что игра на балалайке не сподвигнет народ к труду. Он издал указ, в котором он повелел собрать со всей Руси все музыкальные инструменты, в том числе балалайки, и сжечь их. После его смерти балалайка снова зазвучала в стране. Хорошо. Let's talk about some tough spots. This is the first page of the text with 2 words that might be puzzling. First, I'll explain here the difference between Russia and of Russia. Россия and России, like you see here in the text. Whenever you can ask a question of what or of whom, the case of the noun becomes genitive. And here comes the rule that tells us that nouns of the first declension, which are nouns that end with a and ya, those endings will change to y and e. So here, if we had Россия, therefore it will change to России. The next sentence that has the word форму in it is a classic case of subject and object scenario. Here we see that балалайка, which is presented by the pronoun она, has a shape, имеет форму. So форму will be the object. And by Russian grammar rules, this means this is accusative case. And based on the declension of this noun, a will change to u. You can try this with other words. For example, a book, книга. And if you want to say that she has a book, она имеет книгу. Same, for example, with apartment, квартира. She has an apartment, она имеет квартиру, and so forth. Let's turn the page and talk about the next 3 nouns that are all dative case. Circled in blue are prepositions. Prepositions by and for are sure signs of dative case. And you might ask, why then all these nouns have different endings? The reason is that in their nominative form, they also have different endings, and it makes them different declensions. On the third page, we have one noun with a preposition that points that it is dative case. And here you can see this word with a letter D underneath. And also two more nouns with prepositions na and v, which tells us that it is prepositional case. Also on this page, there's a verb. It's a word with 2 lines. It's a very interesting word, not a everyday word for sure. And I just wanted to point out that this is a feminine verb in a future tense. In this sentence, it goes together with the word igra. So the playing won't coerce the people or it won't move the people. Igra не сподвигнет. And since igra is a feminine noun, that makes the verb that goes with it the same gender. I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you have more questions. Пока!